All right, back we go. It is late night. It is actually now Monday, um, May 1st, just past midnight here, East Coast time. Doing a lot of YouTube shorts, checking out NCLH Norwegian Cruise Line. They will be reporting Monday morning, as far as I see on here, what it said. Let's look at the chart. Yeah, this has been in a downtrend ever since COVID. Actually, the big move down. Yeah, this was up near 60, went down to like 8, and then you had a big bounce, then you had a trend line up. Then it sort of peaked right up here. It was battling back and forth near this 34 line. It was June 2021. It went down. You had another bounce, 28. And then you have a channel down here. Look at this channel right here. And then basically June, yeah, this found a bottom pretty much on this candle here, which is all right, 1031. Then you made a slow grind up July, August, September, went down October, found another line 12, bounced higher, 18 plus. And we came down here January 2023. Beautiful V recovery here. Shorted it. And then if you went long, here you get up to 18 again, and then back down. But you see this low line. I'll circle these lines here. Yeah, you have right down here a line, down here a line, here a line. Now, if anyone's new to trading too, let us know. Might not make sense. Trading is very, thorough and deep. Some stuff is basic. It takes years to learn all the aspects of trading. It's basically like a quarterback. Think of Tom Brady. He first got in the league. Yeah, he didn't know a lot of stuff. He knew basics. Then he saw the defense over years and years, plays 20 years. He knows every move now. So, that's what it is. There's so many things. There's candlesticks, there's lines, trend lines, there's all kinds of stuff. Momentum, volume, stochastics, oversold, overbought. So this is the main move here. So you have the low again, but what do you see? This low is so slowly getting higher here, 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 and here. So it's been grinding up and it's making big moves on the move up. So, this is making about $5 moves on the way up, a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less in this channel here. Now, earnings come out. If it's bad, this could drop 1338. This could drop maybe to, down 13. They could push it down to 1250. So this 1250 line is important. And then the low rate here, which is, 1216. That would be important too. If it really drops a lot, I don't know if it'll drop that much. We'll see. It has put in big candles on moves down. Now, on a move up, you're looking for the break of 1350 here. And then there's a lot of open air ahead here, a lot of space up here, but it's done before. It's oversold in stochastics here. It did hit below 20. It's been grinding, jaggedy back and forth. So look at the weekly. Now, the weekly in July, it went up, came down to this 50 line just below, came up again for a final move higher. See that this whole move from basically July to December was a move up, even though, it moves down. January made it one straight move up, didn't really get above 80 stochastics, went down. Right now we're oversold 1457. You can go lower. We've seen it before. You go 12, 5, 10. So that doesn't mean this is oversold is going to go higher right here on the weekly. So we'll watch that. The monthly, clear downtrend. Look at this. This is almost a triple top 2015. Is like, that's another thing. Is cruise lines, they say they're doing great. I don't get it. The stocks are doing great. They're like, oh, record breaking numbers, at least before what I was reading. Maybe everything's going down now, but this is at 60 a top, another top. This is like quadruple, you can call it 5 times ever since 2015. Look at this, 2020. Could never really get over 60 and stay and build on that. And then you have a move below, the bounce up, COVID, and down again. So this whole thing's been a downtrend since 2020. And it's crossing over negative again. See the 20 EMA clearly over 13 EMA. That part is bending lower on stochastics. Right there. Quarterly, it's a big handle. Wow. And then this is oversold on the quarterly as far as your EMAs are way above here, 25, 20. Remember I said that when you get too far below, you can bounce up to there. So yeah, if this does turn around, you could see a bounce, eventually up to 2025. But I still think then you would hit that and go lower. You draw a line here on stochastics. It is like a triangle here, descending triangle. See that? Looks like it will break out of that eventually. So see on that. We'll see on earnings on this. So, that's the move right now, though. As far as anyone like swing trading this or looking at this, day trading, watch on earnings. But there's your 1250 line, 1350 line. Now, who's going to win tomorrow? Is it going to, big red candle here or start to move up if earnings are good? Yeah, big flow, 419 million. Institutions own 58%. What else? Yeah, here 5.41 billion market cap. Any other news besides earnings? Anything recently? With 62% institutional ownership, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings favored amongst big guns, but that was on April 10th. It actually dropped to 58%. And let's look further down. They've been around since 1966, based in Miami, Florida. They go all over the world. It looks like Caribbean, Mediterranean. Um, how many actually ships do they have? Does it say here? I don't see here. It doesn't actually say on FinViz how many cruise liners. But all right, so that's technical analysis, and you want to look at this real fast too. This is FinViz. FinViz, if you are a trader or new to trading, this is all kinds of stuff: screeners, news, crypto, a lot of great charts. Sometimes you don't have to do the chart yourself. I was on TC2000. That's why I did this. So you can see the line here. I do it on there, and I get it from here to line two. I can do it myself now because once you learn, you understand lines. So 18 line, look at that double top. Here's your load line, all that room above. But we'll see what earnings. I don't like to trade with earnings. I'm not guessing. I want the earnings to come out, see what happens. So we'll see what happens. All right, so this is another lesson here. Trend lines. These are all great swing trades too. Swing, 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 and swing. And you get short too. Everything's the reverse too. I don't like to short a lot, mainly probably like 95% long. And I like to swing long. Everything's just long, trade long. It's just the way, you're comfortable with. But up here would have been short, short there. All right, so we'll see what happens on this. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube. What else do I got? Mike Kim and Trades on TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. And any other social media, I put a link tree below. Leave any comments on this or any other stocks or any questions or any information you have is always good. That's it. Peace.